NCNA stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is NuCana stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this page has done 43,000 videos over 5 years, I have seen what's printing me money and what's not. So especially with this, it's not good, not looking good, at least from my POV. It's just that it's a bearish market, and I do have a lot of receipts, by the way, with NCNA. I'm not saying it's like this forever, it's just that currently HINDSIGHT, yes, melting, like the likelihood that we keep making lower lows is high. But Mr. Seiko, when are you going to be bullish? Well, if there's a big catalyst, or if I see a full-on candle close above 0.06 something, 0.062, so 6.2 cents. And I mean, that's the price. But yeah, other than that, we had like such a crazy pump up here, just kind of middle of June. All about these sorts of movements, bro, but it's just if you could capitalize on those. Now, if you want to stay tuned with NCNA and want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.